Guess what time it is? It's Fall Food Fridays. So let's go ahead and kick off this Friday with a crockpot meal. Tonight's dinner is from a new Taste of Home, More Grandma's Favorites cookbook that I received. So I'm so excited about this cookbook. As you can see, I've got several pages marked that I'm looking forward to giving a try. So tonight we're gonna make autumn apple chicken. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna work on our sauce. I have apple cider, barbecue sauce, minced garlic, honey, and diced onion. We're gonna give this a really good stir. We're gonna set this to the side. I am going to use my 9x13 crock pot tonight. I have sprayed with nonstick cooking spray, and these are bone-in, skinless chicken thighs. I did not have any skinless chicken thighs, so I took as much of the skin off as I could get. But sometimes in my stores, I see them with the skin off, but the bone's still in. And so now what I'm doing is I'm just salt and peppering both sides of my chicken, and I'm going to add apples to the top. And the mixture we made earlier, I am going to pour that over the top as well. I'm gonna put the lid on my crock pot and cook this on low for 3.5 to 4.5 hours until your chicken thighs are done. We've got the crock pot going now, so now I have a little bit of time to talk to you about Fall Food Fridays. So, every Friday for the month of October, Falon from Moss Family TV hosts Fall Food Fridays. There is so much fall food inspiration. So many creators come up with these wonderful dishes that just scream fall and comfort food. I have Falon's channel listed below in my description box, so be sure to check out her channel as well as the Fall Food Friday playlist. If you've never been to Moss Family TV, oh my goodness, it's a daily vlog of family life. And it's a wholesome, just feel-good type of vlog that you'll just get hooked on. Falon, Titus, and their family. I just love it. I watch it every night, and she packs in cleaning, grocery hauls, recipes, desserts. Oh man, she comes up with the best ideas. And not to mention, she homeschools her kids, so you get a lot of homeschool information about what's going on with their kids and things like that as well. So be sure to check out Moss Family TV. I think I hear a timer going off. I better head to my kitchen. Besides with our chicken, we're gonna have some au gratin potatoes and some green beans. All right, I wanted to give you one little update. I checked the chicken. The recipe in the cookbook says that it needs to cook on low for 3.5 to 4.5 hours. I looked and I didn't feel like mine was done yet. So I'm gonna let it go at least another hour, hour and a half on low in my crock pot. And then we should be ready to go. But just kind of wanted to give you an idea of my experience with my crock pot. Yours may be different. Here is our chicken. It just finished up in the crock pot. I did end up cooking it longer than the time in the recipe. I cooked mine almost 6 hours. And here is dinner tonight at our house. Autumn chicken, green beans, and scallop potatoes. And that's a wrap on this week's version of Fall Food Friday. Be sure to check out Moss Family TV. As a reminder, I have the channel listed below in the description box. I also wanted to remind you that today's recipe came out of this new cookbook that I received. It is Taste of Home, More Grandma's Favorites. And I will have this cookbook linked below in the description box as well. Wanted to tell you all thank you so much for joining along. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.